In Melbourne, Australia. Went to high school in Baton Rouge and on to LSU. That's Amendola. Breaking free from 2 tackles and getting to the outside. Amendola gets past wing and breaks another tackle. I do not see a flag. But at the end, he falls at the 7.
Did he get tripped by his own guy? It looked like he was going in to score. I was looking for a flag.
Everything was clean at the other end.
Watch the block that's coming up against Hertzlick, 94.
Yeah, I was checking that out, but yes, it was fine.
Thought it could have been too low, but it wasn't.
Did not go out of bounds. Got a little off balance, shook it off.
Oh,
hey, tripped up over one of his own teammates. It was Harmon.